Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2013 Ford Fusion with a 2.5 motor, and we're going to go over how you would change the oil. This is where you would put the oil in, and this is the dipstick where you would check the oil from the top of the motor. So we need to drain the oil from the bottom. You need a size 15-inch wrench for that, and also we need to remove the oil filter and put a new one on, and that you'll just need some either the filter pliers or you'll need a set of filter pliers or the big huge socket one that you can put on there. But let's go down and drain the oil and go over that process. So here's the drain plug for the oil, and that is a size 15, and we're gonna you would just loosen it and then remove it completely, and make sure that the can that you have to catch it will be able to catch the amount of oil that's in your vehicle. This says it's 5.7 quarts is what it is when it's full capacity, so you want to make sure that your what you have to catch the oil can catch that amount. If not, you'd have to stop it in the middle and then start again in the draining process. So why the oil is draining, make a visual inspection of the rubber gasket or seal and drain plug to see that it's still going to maintain and not leak oil. That has drained out the major majority of the oil. So now we can put our oil filter or our oil plug back in. Tighten it up. Just a good tight. Not crazy. This is an aluminum, and so we don't want to strip it out. Then we're going to move our oil pan up over here. We have the oil filter right here, and to remove the oil filter you can use a set of pliers like this. Right, use your filter pliers to loosen it. And then remove it, clean it up, paper towel, and take the new one, take a fresh oil and put it around the gasket there. And now you just bring it up until it seats up there, and then go a 3/4 turn to hand snug. We never use pliers or anything to tighten the filter on. We only use them to take them off. Now you'll just add 5 quarts of oil. Well, 5 quarts. Check it. It says it takes 5.7 with the filter, so you would add the 5 quarts, put your vehicle on a level surface, recheck it, and the way we check the oil, insert the dipstick, pull it out, and check it, and we want to make sure that we have oil in between those 2 dots. And that's the operating range of the vehicle. And this vehicle says it calls for 5.7 quarts. So start with 5, check it, start it, make sure you got no leaks, and then put a little bit more in if you need to be. So that's how you change your oil on your Ford Fusion of a 2013. with a 2.5 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.